Blog to Post is an AI-powered content repurposing agent, and it's designed to transform long-form blog articles into platform-optimized content for YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Now, the agent itself, it simplifies cross-platform content distribution and maximizes reach and engagement without duplicating effort. So, let's take a quick walkthrough of the application. First, you want to make sure you're logged in. Then you need to select the platform that you want to repurpose the content for between YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. For this example, I'll go ahead and choose LinkedIn. Then I'm going to enter my blog URL or my blog post. Next, we have the tone that we can select. So we have conversational, professional, and punchy. In this case, I'll go with professional. Then we have the length, all the way from 100 words all the way up to 500 words. For this example, I will choose 200 to 300 words, and then we click on Generate. Now, once we generate, the agent itself is going to optimize your blog content in real time. And on the right-hand side, you will see your output. Now, from here, we can review this content, and we can provide human feedback if necessary, and then regenerate that content. And if you are happy with the result, you can simply copy the text here and then share it wherever you'd like, or you can share it directly to the platform, in this case, LinkedIn. And the same process applies with Twitter and YouTube. And that's it. Give it a shot today and let us know what you think.